Hi guys, this is Tridib and I'm super excited to share a fantastic platform that I tried and I was really happy. And as fellow AI explorer, we always share with each other some nice new softwares or apps platforms so that we can train each other, we can help each other to make this AI world better, AI imagery better. And this is one while you guys are all creating amazing videos using Runway ML and Midjourney or Stable Diffusion images. I tried a little bit different thing. I tried this image to 3D platform called CSM, 3D.csm.ai, which actually takes your Leonardo or Midjourney or your Stable Diffusion images and converts it into 3D. Pretty awesome job they do, but it is still in the nascent stage, as I would say. It is not very polished. There are certain glitches which I am definite they will definitely do some work on this, and they will make this work much better. But pretty much I am happy with this output. If you see, I have created some mid journey images a little sometime back when I was when Midjourney was there in the nascent stage. Midjourney was in their initial phase, and we created something um, like these images. If you see, I have posted something on AI as God, and sometimes I have created this melting food or this carving of this rhino from the marble piece. So all these things I tried to use those things in this platform, and within a few hours, yes, a few hours, it might take around 2.5 hours to 3 hours to actually train the image and carve out thing from it. Why I'm using carve out? Because it actually doesn't build a 3D model. It carves out as it envelops the image in a cutout shape, but maintaining the contours and everything. A pretty awesome way of creating 3D models. But as I am telling you, sometimes it gives very good results, sometimes it's not so good. So so if you see it, you need not to do anything. You just go to image to 3D and you upload your image. Okay, or you can generate via their Discord platform. Okay, so I have uploaded this image of this rhino, not exactly this rhino. I have uploaded this, and once it gets converted, it converts into this particular rhino. If you see, it has very nicely understood that these particular things are not required in the 3D model. So they generated a 3D rhino based on the rhino. They have cut out the rhino from the main exterior and then built up the 3D model. Similarly, for this image, also they had done something like this. They have cut out, if you see, they have cut out the entire model from the background. They have extracted the entire model from the background. If you see, I'm really happy with the contour and texture that they have done. It is not exactly um, uh, just scaling the thing in x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. It is not like that. It is not even beveling. It is not about extruding, but they have actually modeled it, crafted it as per diffusion noise. Okay, so if you see, pretty much they represented the my model. Okay, pretty much there are certain bit of things which I am not very clear how they made it. If you see this particular portion in the left hand side, it has been actually moved to the right hand side, and this thing has been put in the left hand side. I don't know how they managed to do that thing, but it is pretty strange. But otherwise the colors are totally off. Okay, maybe they are still not in that thing, but believe me, it actually didn't take any effort from me. Okay, I just uploaded the image and that's it. No other work. If you see, if I'm going to this rhino, just see this rhino, the detail of the rhino. It's quite amazing how they made it. Okay, it's, see, there's certain things which are not good, like the ear has stuck over here and a small portion of ear has come out. So there are certain bit which I told you guys before, and it's not right. But extracting the core model from the outer core, it itself made me wonder how they did it. Okay, and then they crafted the model exactly the way I wanted. Okay, secondly, this was a disappointment. This was the image that has been fed to the engine, and I am not too happy with the outcome. Though the cheese looks the same, but I don't know how they have made the bread totally burned. Okay, it's such a nice image. Maybe since it's a vector-based image, they might be actually failed to do the thing. I am not too happy, elated about this particular thing. This didn't work for me at all. But the other two are pretty shocking, and it is quite good. It is depth map. I am sure they have used depth map along with the image as texture, and they have crafted this thing. I would be watching this particular platform very carefully, and I'm sure this is going to be a game changer if they really work on the things that they are missing out at this point of time. So that's all. I will not bore you guys anymore, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.